Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a mini love bite for you for the weekend. This is the weekend of the 11th to the 13th of September, Cancer. Oh. Is there a trickster around you, Cancer? I really don't like this card, but the way it jumped out, I don't think I have a choice but to keep it. Let's see. Let's see what relevance this card has for you, Cancer, for the weekend. As I said, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Cancer, thank you all my subscribers for all your love. And if you're new here, we're an Omkara family. We meet here weekly for all kinds of readings, and we now even weekends, in fact, for weekend love bites. So this is going to be a mini read, just three cards each, to see where you guys are at and what to expect for this weekend. 10 of Cups. Good. At least I have one very positive card right at the start, which is wish fulfillment, happily ever after. But I'm a little worried about this Magician here, who's in reverse. But I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you as well, to see what my angels are going to bless you with for this weekend. My angels, please give Cancer a lovely advice or a blessing card for this weekend. For Cancer, please. One card for Cancer, my angels. Oh, signs from above. This card is very powerful, Cancer. Signs from above is when things are trying to get your attention. Okay, you may hear something, maybe see a tarot reading, maybe repeating numbers, songs. Somebody out of the blue may say something which is connected to your situation. So these are your angel guides who are surrounding you right now, because they're trying to nudge you in the right direction. We always have our angels with us, Cancer. Sometimes we overlook the signs. So this weekend, be very, very mindful of all the nudges you're getting. You may find it strange sometimes as to why did that person say that to me, or why did I suddenly hear the song 5 times today, giving an example. So just be aware of all the signs and synchronicities coming your way, okay? Because there is a bit of a red flag I'm worried about for you here with the Magician in reverse. Spirit guides are with you. Don't worry, you're a leader. They're very, very proud of you, Cancer. Okay, so you're not alone. Whatever you are going through, you have a lot of help from the universe. So let's open your cards now. And Cancer, if you need a private reading, my email is in the description box below. So your first 3 cards, Cancer, I see a very angry feminine right off this thing, right? There's been a bit of unequal dynamic here, no equal give and take, some wishes which have not come to fruition, and this has made the feminine here extremely upset. She's very angry because of this lack of reciprocity from her partner, I think. Oops, anger. Okay. Yeah, somebody is not happy here. Somebody is not happy at all. 10 of Cups, the same 10 of Cups we had here, bottom of my deck are here again. But right now, off the cuff, these 10 of Cups are in reverse because there has been no equal give and take here. There is maybe a King of Cups around you, Cancer. He is, yes, comes in with a lot of love, but sometimes is also emotionally pretty distant. Never really shows what's in his heart, and that can actually make, the other person feel a bit emotionally drained and unsatisfied. And that's why the Star card is in reverse. But I do see this person trying to bring in some kind of a small offer of apology or love as well this weekend. So what's this Queen of Wands spirit? Why is this person so angry? Oh my God. Queen of Wands? in reverse is clarified by the Queen of Wands in reverse. Someone is very, 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 very upset here, Cancer, because of this trickster energy. This person is trying to now, keep themselves guarded, not allowing, trying to protect themselves basically from what I see here. Let me open the rest of the cards. King of Swords in reverse, Ten of Swords, and the Empress in reverse. Yes, there is this trickster energy. He's coming in as a King of Cups, offering his cup of love. Maybe a small apology, but the cup has a fish in it, because this person is actually the King of Swords in reverse. Harsh, mean, rude, not the best person in reverse here. Things are quite feeling like they've come to an end, and feeling of no growth is here. So King of Swords spirit in reverse. This King of Swords is bringing in this apology to this feminine, because they want her love. This feminine has turned her back from this King of Swords now. There is no more forward movement happening, and that's the reason this person is coming in with a cup of love, because they want to work together with this Empress, right? The Empress is right now in reverse. She's the fertility, she's the growth, she's the queen above all queens, and this masculine is feeling totally down and out, because all their growth and happiness comes to a halt, and there is no more balance left in any situation if this queen is going to remove her love from their life. So I think they are trying to come in as the King of Cups now, but this offer may not cut it. Let me see, why is this Empress in reverse spirit? Okay, because the King of Pentacles is in reverse. This person is not bringing stability to this feminine's life, and so she's kind of pulled back her energy. She wants happiness in her life. That's all she's looking for. And this masculine is bringing her only unrest, instability, tricking her, bringing her harsh words, and she's not having it anymore. This person could also be a bit immature, childish. So this weekend, Page of... Okay. This weekend, things are a bit stalled here, Cancer. Things have stagnated, are stagnating. I think there's a lot of healing going on, maybe separately here, but one person seems to be keeping an eagle eye on the other with the Page of Swords energy. This is the spy card. So be very careful, feminine, if you are the one who's trying to heal and trying to make decisions, trying to kind of get better from the situation, trying to get over all your pain. Just be a bit mindful here, because there is somebody trying to keep a close watch on you. Okay, so let's take a card for this page. First a card for the Page of Pentacles, which means things are stagnated or come to a halt this weekend. Page of things have become overburdening now. This is gone on for too long, and too much to handle, and things are now, this weekend at least, nothing is moving. Page of Swords, Spirit, Page of Swords. One more. Oops. Not accepting any love offer, Cancer, this weekend. This Page of Swords is a mischief maker. Okay, maybe a very immature energy. Now you've kind of coming to the realizations of all the secrets maybe that were kept, which was like a big tower moment, or it's coming this weekend. A lot of revelations, a lot of secrets will be revealed, and this is going to lead to this. I'm sorry, Cancer, this is not the kind of weekend love bite I really wanted to make. I wanted honey and roses and chocolates, but Somebody here needs to know this. So it's best right now, keep yourself guarded as you are, and don't accept any love offer till you're sure of the facts, okay? Be sure of what you're getting is the right thing. Look out for the signs from the universe, okay? That's all I have for you, Cancer. Take care of yourself. If you need a private reading, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to give you one. Love and light. Namaste. See you next week.